Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, doing another video today. And yes, today's video, I'm unboxing the Galaxy S9 Plus. But before I do that, I just want to shout out Samsung for making these AR emojis. They are pretty cool. More to come on that also. But before I get this video started, check this out. Okay everyone, like I said earlier, shout outs for T-Mobile for sending this to me early. I picked it up today from UPS, so shout out to them. Like I said earlier also, I'm going to just do a quick unboxing, go through the box, maybe do some comparisons with other phones I have, like the Note 8, and then come back with a couple other videos, especially like a setup video, and then also like some cases that I got in, and some screen protectors. But that's enough of me talking. Look at this thing. Bam. Galaxy S9 Plus from Samsung. If you want to pause the video, you can read what comes in the box. But I'm going to show you what comes in the box. Let's see. Let's get this started. Throw that on the side. Nice little presentation. I mean, it's the same thing from Samsung pretty much every year. There you go. Samsung branding. Let's see. Lucky unboxing knife. I really need a new one. Alright, let's see. Alright, so that's not the phone. Definitely not the phone. We get controlled by the box. Bam, there you go. One box. Here's the phone itself. Ooh, I'm gonna come back to that. Put that on the side. See what else you get in the box. Throw that on the side too. T-Mobile SIM card. You don't really care about that, do you? Let's see. So here's your charging brick. Bam, if you want to pause that, you can pause the video and read it. I love how they send it in the black. Everything matches, nice and neat. Your USB connector. That's also sweet. They have that in. Here's your cable. Bam. I love the black and black. I mean, that's just, it looks nice when it's charging. Great feature now. I'm glad they did it. Got away from the white. Here's your headphones, AKG, which is pretty awesome too. I'm gonna keep all this in the box. Let's see what else you get in there. Get some different earpieces, and that's pretty much all you get in the box as far as that goes. Let's put this on the side. And let's go back to the box, the other box. So in here, let's see what you get. Oh, SIM card ejecting tool. And then you get some books and stuff. Do y'all really read this? Leave me in the comments. I don't think anybody really reads this anymore. But y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all do. So that's pretty much all you get in the box. I didn't see a case. I wish Samsung would give me a case. All right, so let me pull this off. And we can go over the phone too. While it's starting up, I'm going to go over the specs really quick. I don't want to bore people, but, you know, look at that display. It is a 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display. If all that means is that it's a 2K display. The screen resolution is 2960 by 1440. Yes, it has the new 18:9 ratio. I think this one is actually 18.5 by 9. So Samsung has to do it different. Yes, it does have the edge. Look at the edges. It also comes with Android 8.0 straight out the box, which is great. 64 gigs of storage, expandable memory to 400 gigs with a micro SD card. Awesome goodness there. But here's the thing too that has people excited, at least about the S9 Plus. It has 6 gigs of RAM, which is great. I mean, that's awesome. It's not 4 gigs. The S9 has 4 gigs, so they juiced it up a little bit on the S9 Plus, which is more RAMs. Hopefully it doesn't stutter later on. It has a 35 milliamp hour battery. We're going to test out the battery life, see how good it is. First time 2 stereo speakers, one in the earpiece, one in the bottom, tuned by AKG, which is, hey, it's supposed to be great. It's water resistant, IP68. It has fast wireless charging, normal thing Samsung does with their flagship phones. Also, the The cameras on there, I'm gonna talk about the cameras really quick. Really, you know, that's where they said this phone changes at. You have an 8 megapixel camera in the front, and then for the first time on the Galaxy S9 series, dual cameras on the back on the S9 Plus. So the cameras, the front, like I said, is 8 megapixels. The rear is dual 12 megapixel cameras. The nice thing about it is that the top one is a wide angle, but it also has dual aperture, which is f1.5 and then also 2.4. So it's supposed to be really great in low light, but we're gonna put that to the test. Look what's below the camera. Bam, that is a fingerprint scanner, folks. So you do have a fingerprint scanner. Look at it. They put it below it. Look at that. Look at the fingerprint scanner on the bottom. Unlike the Note 8, it has it on the side. Bam, there you go. Is it a fingerprint magnet? Yes, you can see the fingerprints already. And it has a flash there too. So that's pretty much it. You can shoot 4K video at 60 frames per second. Also, they've been talking about it is super slow motion, 960 frames per second. We're going to put all that to the test. I'm going to do a bunch of comparisons coming up. You know, I want to do as much comparisons as I can. The phone is starting up, but let's go over the phone really quick. Here's your power button. Bam. At the top, you have your microphone at the top, and then your SIM card and micro SD card slot. Then on the left-hand side, you have your volume rockers. And yes, that is the Bixby button. Did they remove it? No, they kept it there. Then on the bottom, look at that too, folks. No, that's not a mistake. That is a headphone jack. I'm glad Samsung kept that. You have your USB Type-C charging. You have another microphone. And this thing's talking to me. Then you also have your speaker at the bottom with the microphone. Man, look at that design. Let me wipe this thing off really quick. So I'm gonna come back with another video and do an initial setup. But let's just let's just admire the color of this thing. Bam, look at that. Yes, it's coral blue. That's a great looking device. Man, it does attract fingerprints, but don't worry, I'm gonna put some cases on it. Bam, it's probably in full effect today in this video, but man, look at that. All right, so let's do some size comparisons. Like I said, I don't want to make the video too long. Here's my Note 8. Look at that. So the Note 8 is a little bit taller and a little bit wider too. Because I know a lot of people complain about the Note 8 being a little bit too tall. I mean, the Note 8 is definitely thicker because of probably the pin and the body. Alright, so that was the Note 8. So let's do the V30. Check out the V30. So the S9 is definitely taller than the V30, and the V30 seems a little bit wider, or maybe not. Maybe I have it back. They might be the same. Let's see. Look at that red dragon. Shout out to Big Dog for sending that to me. They're about the same width, as much as I can tell. Let's see. Check the size out. Bam. So, yeah, that was just a quick unboxing, y'all. Stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, because I'm going to have more coverage coming up. I do have some cases to review from Rinky. I have some screen protectors from Oteo. I also have some cases from Subcase to review. So I have a lot of accessories. Going to be doing a lot of videos coming up. But if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.